Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 4 Presentation Assembly. Yes, we are here. We've had 7 weeks of school and we're here to celebrate all those Year 4s who have been amazing throughout this half term and earned themselves presentation certificates. It's Friday the 22nd of October. Yes, it's the last day of half term. We break up today at 3:15. I've got with me this morning as well some house captains to help shout out those names to do their job because they've earned themselves their house captain badges, so it's only fair they come and shout out these children who have earned themselves their certificates. So let's start off this morning with our PE stars, and those children have been really physically active, really brilliant, and taking part in all their PE and games lessons superbly. Who have we got, Milana?
Fiona, Jack, Esme and Khaleesi.
We certainly have, look, big smiles on their faces, so they should be, so really well done guys. Stand up now, let's give you all a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next, we have our history stars. These guys are working really hard on their history in Year 4. They certainly have. Who have we got with him?
Jack, Emily and Mahia and Abe.
Brilliant. Well done, guys. Look at Abe smile. You should be smiling now, Abe, because you just earned yourself a certificate. So really well done, buddy. Stand up and let's give you a massive cheer, you superstars. Thank you so much. Our reading stars. Now, these guys have been reading every single day, sometimes twice a day, and over the weekend. And we've got brilliant effort. So really well done, you Year 4s. And let's keep that. I know you'll keep this up over half time. Who have we got, Jessica?
We got Jakisha, Aaliyah, Bailey and Mia.
We certainly have, yes. Well done, guys. Big smiles on your faces, so you should be. Really well done. Stand up, let's give you a massive cheer and enjoy taking your certificates home at the end of you today. Well done. Next, our maths stars. Now, these guys have been working feverishly at maths and getting through loads and loads as well. You should see their maths books. It's phenomenal. So really well done, guys. And do keep this up over the next half term, so well done. Who have we got?
We've got Nicodem, Milana, Tyler and Eva.
We certainly have. Look at these guys. Again, look at them. Massive smile on your face. You should be, guys. Look at Anne Eva. Really well done, guys. Well done. Keep it up, please. Over next half term as well. Super work. I know your books are filling up and soon you'll be on to your next book. So really well done. Keep up. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Well done. Next, we have our English stars. These guys have been working really hard on English. Martin, who have we got?
Lola, Regan, Cleo and Alfie Jack.
We have. You guys have been working so hard. Really well done. Big smile. Look at, again, Regan there. Massive smile. So really well done, guys. I know your English is looking phenomenal. So well done. Great work. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you today. Well done, you superstars. Next, we've got our history stars. So let's have a look. Now, these guys have been working so hard in history throughout. So let's have a look. See, come on, Milana, who have we got?
Daniel, Savannah, Tilly and Diego.
We have. Look at these historians. They have been working really hard. They've really been enjoying their history topic as well. So well done, you Year 4s. Huge congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Let's get you standing up. Come on, let's give you a massive cheer in class. Well done, guys. Keep it up. Our math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Look. Hey, been working really hard on their maths. Who have we got, William?
Heather, Rose, Baron,
Caius.
Caius and Eric.
We have. Well done, you 4. Huge congrats, Caius. Good smile there, buddy. Well done. But again, massive amount of maths going on in Year 4s and completing their maths books. So really well done, guys. And keep that up over next half term as well. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next, we have our English stars. And again, you should see the presentation of some of these children's work. It's phenomenal. They've been working so hard and earned themselves certificates this morning. Who have we got, Jess?
We've got Angel, Pandora, Lexi and Jayla.
We have. Look at these 4, look. Well done, guys. Angel, lovely smile there. Just makes me smile, so well done, guys. Let's stand up in class. Give them a massive cheer, guys. And enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done, superstars. Our PE stars, look. These guys, again, being really physically active, enjoying all their PE and games lessons, and taking 100% part in every single bit of it and never giving up. Who have we got?
We've got Thea, Summer, Jaden and Reese.
We have. Superb. Look at that. Thea, Summer, Jaden, Reese. Well done, guys. Stand up. Let's give them a massive cheer. Why not? Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Really proud of you. Next, we've got reading stars. Now, these guys have been filling in their reading records non-stop, and some of them are completing them. It is phenomenal how much reading is going with these children. And I know you'll carry that on over half term as well, because you are amazing. Who have we got, Martin?
Joseph, Millie, Marshall, Milana.
We have. Look at these 4. Look. Great smile, Marshall and Millie. Well done. All smiles around for you 4. Well done, guys. Stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home. And I hope you have a wonderful full week of reading as well over this half term. Here we go. Look. House points. Now some of these children we've already seen because they've earned themselves certificates, but these guys have been earning themselves merits and house points for their houses ready when we announce who's won the Keen Cup, and that is at Christmas. So in December, the presentation assembly, these house captains are really desperate to find out who's won that Keen Cup, but they'll find that out when we come to December's presentation assembly. So we've got the top 3 in each class. Here we go. We've got Mahir, Fiona and Jakisha. Look at this, 40, 41 and 44, so close at the top. Masses of merits though, because those are house points. Times that lot by 5 and you'll find out how many merits they've earned. And then even in Miss Barrett's class, look at these guys. We've got Marshall, Lexi and Beren, 30, 34, 37. Amazing, guys. Well done. You 6, stand up, please. And let's give you all a massive cheer. What a phenomenal number of merits and house points. Well done, guys. And keep it up over half term. And let's see, if it's not you then, those top 3, let's see if you can get on that leaderboard for December. So work really, really hard and lots of merits and house points. Well done. That's it for today. As you can see, school ends today at 3:15, so really well done. What a fantastic 7 weeks, everyone. Well done, all of you Year 4s. Parents, please do spread this link far and wide to aunties, uncles, grandparents. Let's really spread that celebration to really celebrate these children because they've worked so hard over these 7 weeks. We come back on Monday, the 1st of November, and as you can see, the gates will be open at 8:30. We'll see you all then. Have a fantastic and restful half term. Until then, everyone, bye-bye now.